Okay, so now welcome to the second part of this video. See, here we were discussing about that how the second generation is not taking or growing the crops in an organic manner using natural fertilizers. Here this person had taken the help of chemicals. So as a result, slowly and steadily, what is happening? Slowly and steadily, the land is going to become extremely infertile. Now let us talk about what do you think will happen to Hasmukh's farm. It is going to lose fertility, and definitely the field will become as infertile as Jatria Bhai's Sinduri land had become. Damji Bhai's sons, Hasmukh chose to become a farmer. Hasmukh's son Paresh is not a farmer, he is a truck driver. Why do you think he chose this decision? Because your children, father was going into losses, and Paresh understood that now farming is not his cup of tea. He won't be able to do it, so he chose to do the work of truck driver. The seeds weren't sure what Hasmukh was talking about real progress. Here again we are in that topic. Progress does not mean that we must disrupt nature, or we must ruin nature, or we must underdevelop some other part. Progress means where there is development from all the societies, from all the parts. Like in previous chapter we saw that making a dam is a progress, very good. But the villagers who had to relocate, they were in great trouble. Are you understanding? So development should be done, in all aspects. Now over here, let us just talk about, if we are talking about progress. Now, in the class we had also discussed about how Elon Musk. Now you must be wondering, why are we talking about Elon Musk here? See, a lot of people, not just farmers or village people, even who are working in jobs, corporate office, education, everyone is, often worried about automation, artificial intelligence, robots. So everyone, has this say that if robots come, machines will come, then people will lose their jobs. But what Elon Musk and other great personalities and entrepreneurs say, they say that everyone has time. So everyone must progress. Okay, everyone must learn new technology and become techno savvy. And he also says that instead of being worried about losing your job, you must progress yourself. You must learn good things. You must learn that advanced technology which will help you as well as others to get a job. We don't have job crisis, we have skill crisis, and that is why we must not be worried about losing job. We must work about improving technology so that everyone can be happy and developed. Although technology has their own pros and cons, everything has advantages and disadvantages, but progress इस तरीके से होना चाहिए कि जिसमें advantage ज़्यादा हो और disadvantages कम हो. Then read the report from this newspaper. Here what happened, farmers were not able to repay their loans, and some farmers were being put into jail. Now the bank loan was just mere 24,000, but for a farmer they had to keep on repaying a lot of interest. Now what happens is, when you take loans from bank, from government institution, the interest rates is less. This you must have studied in junk seller class 4th mathematics. But when we take loans from these money lenders or this so called zamindars, ये लोग generation wise सिर्फ interest ही लेते हैं, ये लोग प्रिंसिपल कभी डिडक्ट ही नहीं करते. एंड फार्मर्स को ये चीज का एजुकेशन फार्मर्स को नहीं मिल पाया. इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट इज नाउ ट्राइंग कि इन सब लोगों को, फार्मर्स को, गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से लोन मिले. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस उनको एजुकेट किया जा रहा है कि आप सिर्फ जनरेशन वाइज, आपका पूरा जनरेशन सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट ही भर रहा है. दैट इज लाइक मनी लेंडर्स आर टेकिंग अनड्यू एडवांटेज ऑफ दीज इनोसेंट फार्मर्स. So now everyone is gaining education ki how this system is very wrong. It is very wrong. Even after paying 34,000, Reddy couldn't pay because interest ही भरते जा रहे थे वो मिस्टर रेड्डी. इसीलिए बहुत जरूरी है education and information and the correct facts. A lot of farmers are committing suicide which is very we can say a disastrous situation, because farmers are the one, be rich or poor, everyone needs food. Farmers are those one profession where they are generating food for us. Are you understanding? Even if a person is eating basmati rice, or someone is eating normal rice, but or column rice, but everyone needs food. और वो food grow कर कौन रहे हैं? Farmers grow कर रहे हैं. So हमें farmer ये profession को underpaid नहीं रखना चाहिए. We must pay them properly. Then what questions come into your mind? Farmers and farming. See, nowadays thanks to all these great engineers, people have got into organic farming. Beautiful ways they are making fresh food, though they are little expensive than adulterated food, but organic food से ना farmers को एक upliftment मिल रहा है. Gone are the days where farmers weren't people weren't used to see farmers in suits and formal clothes. Nowadays we have so many farmers who are making so many machines, and who are making a lot of profit as well, and they are making good food. One such farmer example, who is he was a techie, and from that from a techno savvy engineer, he became an organic farmer. This is you have to understand that how you have to pay attention to detailings. The farmer's name is Mr. Venkat Iyer. He used to work with IBM, but then he decided to start getting into farming. So ऐसे बहुत सारे हमारे पास टेकी लोग हैं, टेक्नो सेवी लोग हैं, बहुत सारे इंजीनियर्स हैं, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट फील्ड के लोग हैं जिन्होंने ना फार्मिंग को अपलिफ्ट किया है. Understanding, and they are also helping these farmers to understand. There are several seeds in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra itself, I will say there are several seeds of rice जो सिटी के लोगों ने खाया भी नहीं है. और वो टाइप के राइस जो होते हैं ना, फिर कितना भी तेज बारिश हो, कितना भी तूफान आए, वो राइस फील्ड्स को डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करते हैं. तो ये ऐसे टाइप के सीड्स हमको एक्सप्लोर करने चाहिए, और हमको ऐसे सीड्स को ग्रो करना चाहिए. एंड उससे क्या होगा, उससे हमारा जो पुराना न्यूट्रिशियस फूड रहेगा वो भी हमको मिल जाएगा. देयर आर मेनी पीपल जो ना पुराने सीड्स को कंजर्व करते हैं, और जैसे कि वन ऑफ द लेडी इज मिस रहीबाई सोमा पोपे. She is one of an active member who's working very hard in reviving the old seeds, ताकि लोगों को वो न्यूट्रिशन फिर से मिल सके. Now let us talk about next part. This is भास्कर बाई's farm. तो यहाँ पे गुजरात के कुछ बच्चे हैं जो एक फील्ड ट्रिप में गए. उन्होंने देखा कि देर आर कोकोनट ट्रीज, देर आर सम स्पेशल फर्टिलाइजर. अब यहाँ पे बच्चों ने क्या पूछा कि सर आप कौन सा फर्टिलाइजर यूज करते हो. सो उन्होंने क्या बोला, मैं ड्राइड लीव्स का फर्टिलाइजर यूज कर रहा हूँ. लीव्स जैसे ड्राई हो जाते हैं वो सॉइल में मिक्स हो जाते हैं, एंड इन द एंड वहाँ पे अर्थवॉर्म्स इज फार्मर्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो ये सब क्या हो जाते हैं, ये सब मिलके एक फर्टिलाइजर बन जाते हैं, जिससे केमिकली फर्टिलाइजर का जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है. एंड देन दीज चिल्ड्रन हैड कोकोनट्स एंड हैड ग्रेट टाइम. अब हमने देखा कि जर्नी ऑफ बाजरा सीड फ्रॉम अ फील्ड टू अ प्लेट. डियर चिल्ड्रन, बीच में बहुत सारे ऐसे मैसेजेस वायरल हुए थे, where these people, or the people who are getting making these things viral, were now telling कि how farmer takes months and months हार्वेस्टिंग से लेकर आपके प्लेट तक, और आप यानी हम सब इंसान कितनी बार खाना फेंक देते हैं, which is very wrong. Be it at wedding or in where you are going, like Gurudwara ka langar, or anywhere you are going, you need to ensure that you must save what? You must save this food. खाना वेस्ट होना नहीं चाहिए, नॉट अ सिंगल ग्रेन ऑफ राइस. देर आर मैनी एशियन, हमारे एशियन में बहुत सारे ऐसे टॉप पर्सनालिटीज है जो बहुत रिच है, बट उनके प्लेट में एक दाना राइस भी दे डोंट वेस्ट, बिकॉज दे अप्रिशिएट द वर्क ऑफ फार्मर, दे नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू अर्न मनी and they do not waste food. So you must also not waste food, dear children, and this is the process, you know, how food comes on our table. यहाँ से प्रोसेस नंबर 5 से आपको पता है प्रोसेस. तो देखो ये व्हीट का ऐसे ये 3 से भी आपको पता है. ये जो गेहूं है, ये गेहूं को ना ऐसे ये ट्रेडिशनल वे से पीसा जाता है. बेसिकली कितने लोग रेडीमेड आटा भी लेके आते हैं, अदरवाइज लोग ना ऐसे ये व्हीट है ना उसको एक शॉप्स में देते हैं, एंड देन वो मशीन के थ्रू आपको पूरा ग्राइंड करके दे देते हैं, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट दिस फ्लावर इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. फिर इसको नीड करके ऐसा डो बनाते हैं. देन यहाँ पे रोटी बनती है, रोटी को रोस्ट करते हैं और फिर रोटी हमारे प्लेट में आ जाती है. So see, so much of efforts our parents or whoever is the one cooking food in your family is taking. So we must always ensure that farmers and the person who's cooking food for us, we must always respect it, and we must respect food as well. बहुत सारे चेंजेस हुए हैं फूड में. सी पुराने जमाने में लोग जंक फूड नहीं खाते थे. हम कितना जंक फूड खाते, वी ईट सो मच ऑफ जंक फूड. यस, पुराने जमाने में अगर लोगों ने शाम को से पानी पूरी और समथिंग खाया, इवन दो दे विल हैव इवन आफ्टर दे विल हैव देयर डिनर स्किप नहीं करेंगे. व्हाट अबाउट पीपल लाइक अस, हमारा जनरेशन विल ईट समथिंग, देन हो गया बस. Due to heavy lifestyle changes, due to this work schedule, everyone is missing their food का time. पहले सबका फिक्स टाइम होता था. 1 o'clock lunch, 2 o'clock rest or 3 o'clock rest, 4 o'clock they will get up, they will take care of their house, then शाम को they will do their walk, routine walk and all, then they will have their dinner, then again थोड़ा walk. So ये जो lifestyle था proper intervals में खाना खाना, वो हम लोगों से पूरा मिस हो गया है. So ये sad story you will also ask your grandparents or elders, whoever is available in the house, ki how they used to live their life, and then compare with how you all live your life. Do you have a fixed schedule to eat food? So these are the small things you need to take care when you are studying this chapter. This is one slide I have prepared to just read. If you read these points, आपको पूरा chapter in one go समझ में आ जाएगा. And now how to use this in daily life? See, you cannot go and farm in the fields, right? Nor can I go. But we can plant a sapling. We should understand that farming requires a lot of efforts. Growing crops में बहुत सारा time लगता है. So we should ensure. Now why I have written years over here? Because see, it helps a lot. अगर थोड़ा भी soil infertile हो गया तो वो पूरा waste हो गया ना land. इसके लिए it takes lot of years. वो soil maintain करना भी एक long procedure है. Appreciate farmers. Farming is definitely a growing profession, and organic farming is promoted a lot. Now we will meet in the next chapter. Take care, dear children. Bye bye.